Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. It's been a while since I've put a video on this channel, so why not? So today let's see how to extract text from an image while you use your computer, browsing online or anywhere. Text from an image means something like this. I googled for an image with a text just to do this demo. So this is it. We got a motivational quote. Okay, so now there are a couple of ways to do this, to extract the text. I'm going to show you one by one. This would be mainly intended for Windows PC users because I'm primarily using a Windows PC. I'm not sure if this will work in Mac, but you can try that out as well. To do this, we are going to use Windows Search, which is built into every Windows PC. So if you come to your desktop, you should have a search button like this. If you click on it, you should get a window like this. If you don't have that search button on the lower left corner, right click on the taskbar and in the search, check if it is hidden. If it is hidden, click on show search icon and enable it. Alternatively, you can press Windows key plus S key on the keyboard, Windows S, and it will open the same window. And here on the right side of the window, there is a small camera icon. So that says search with a screenshot. So click on that and it will open a selection window. Now here this looks like the screen clip window. Also, you can use this as a screen clip. Here, select the text which we need to extract. So I'm going to select all of this text. That's all. It will automatically open Bing search and it's just going to take a minute. And there it is. If you see, the whole text is there. If you want to go fast, go alone. If you want to go far, go together. So that is what we wanted. Also, it will show you the related content because we are doing basically a picture search. So it will show you similar images. So you can use this for image search as well. But this is really useful if you're in a meeting, somebody is sharing something and you want to copy that text. Normally people do a screenshot, but if you just want the text to be extracted, you can do this way. So here you can just Control A and then Control C or right click or copy. Also, there is a copy text option that will copy the entire text. Yeah, so that's one way of doing it. Now there's another way. Sometimes this Bing search doesn't work as expected. Then you can use Microsoft OneNote. But for that, you need to have the Microsoft Office package. In case you don't have, then Bing is your easy way. So let's see how to do this in OneNote. So open your OneNote and now just paste the screen clip which we have already copied. So let me do a Control V here. Now click on the image, select the image and then right click on it. And you see the third option, copy text from picture. Click on that. Now the text would have copied. To check that, click on somewhere outside and paste. See, if you want to go fast and then something, but if you want that part, it didn't capture so well. So let's try another image. Just try that out in OneNote once again. So this is the page where I have just searched for an image with a text for the demo purpose. Okay, text now. I'm going to clip this image. So to do that, press Windows key, then Shift and then S all together at the same time. So Windows Shift S. Alternatively, you can activate screen clip using the Start key as well. Now go back to OneNote and paste it here. Okay, now right click on the image and then copy text from picture. Now you are now connected and then welcome to TextNow's free cellular network. You now have access to free calling and texting everywhere. This is much better. In fact, it is almost correct. So you can use these two methods interchangeably as well to get a proper extract of the text which you want from an image. This has been a huge time saver for me, and I hope this would help you as well. Please hit thumbs if you like the video. Also sub the channel for similar content. Thank you and see you in another one. Bye bye.